Hello, friends. Welcome back. Welcome back to another interesting session of Excel VBA tutorial. Today, we will learn about the if else condition and for next loop in VBA. Let's jump in. So, today we will learn about that VBA condition and the looping. It is very much interesting, because when you are developing any project, you have to face a situation where you have to put your condition to reach to your desired result. Now we will be taking a sample case. In this particular case, we have a certain student's name and we have certain student marks. Our objective here to make or to confirm whether a student is pass or a fail. And our condition, if any student is greater than 50%, he is pass, less than 50% is fail. So this is our condition. We have to make the same thing in the corresponding cell. So we will make the column header results, and we will be displaying the results here whether a student is pass or a fail. So first of all, before that, we will learn two things here. One, we will learn about the if and else condition, and also we will learn how to loop among the cells. VBA loop for next loop. So we will learn if else condition and loop, and not only that, for next we will go on to the other loops also, do while, etc. Other loops we'll also look into. First of all, let us go into that. So now we will press Alt F11 to reach to VBA Editor as usual, or you can directly go to Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. You will reach to your Developer tab. Here you right click and click Insert a Module. You can reach to your VBA Editor screen. Now we will write a condition here. First, let us create a sub procedure, sub display results. We have to take an worksheet, or directly, to do this purpose, directly we can do like this. Dim sht as worksheet, set sht is equal to this workbook.worksheets1 with sht end with. We are creating a code block. In that, first we will take the last row count. For that, lr sht dot cells dot rows dot count, comma, which column A dot end excel up dot row. Now we'll be creating, first we will do the condition or set up the condition for one cell, then we'll create a loop. Now our marks given as Jack 60%. The bot should understand whether it's a pass or a fail. We already have the condition, greater than 50% pass, less than 50% fail. What we will do, range b2 b2 dot value. If range b2 dot value greater than 50%, then so this is the format of if condition in VBA. You will be writing if in between your condition, then and if close block with end if. Here you can use different parameters, whether greater than, less than, equals. I'm asking whether b2 greater than 50 then range c2 dot value is equal to pass. Else, if this condition is not satisfying, range c2 dot value is equal to fail. Okay, now let's do this. Now you see it has given fail, though it is 60%, more than 50%. Why? Because we have mentioned 50 only here. Now you see, if I put 50%, it will go. What I will do, like this, and I'm converting that into a string. Now let's run it once again. So when I'm putting this 50% within quotation, it's appearing as a string. Now you see, if I come back here at 60%, you will see it has taken as a percentage. Now if I put that as a string, definitely these two are not same, so it's taking to the else condition. What I need to do, 60% or 50% mean to say 0.5. Okay, now see, 50%, 50 divided by 100, so 0.5. Pass. So we got our resolution. To test this, let us manually manipulate the value to 40%. Now see, it's a fail. So our condition is working. Let's change that to 60% once again. Now we have the condition. Now we'll be creating a for next loop to go through each cell. For that purpose, we'll use for I is equal to 2 to LRSHT. Next I. Here I stands for a integer. We can define dim I as integer. You should always mention or maintain the proper indentation for a code. So for I is equal to 2, because our data starting from row number 2 to last row. We don't know up to which the last row is going, so we are putting it as a dynamic way. Now we have done this. Let's run the code by pressing F5. Now you see, though I ran the code but nothing changed. Why? Because still this is hard coded B2. We need to change that to I. That means you take the value from I, not hard coded value. Done. Now let's run. Okay. Now you can see all more than 50% pass, less than 50% fail. But we have not given anything equal to 50%. So we will do one more condition. If is equal to 50%, that is also pass. For that purpose, we'll use one more condition here as else if. Else if, here we can do one thing. Best practice. Just copy this portion, come to if and paste it. So it will come exactly. So now I'm using greater than 5.5 pass is equal to 0.5 pass and else fail. Let's run this. Now see, 50% also pass. But the best practice, I would suggest you follow this instead of 2 times greater than is equal to in one shot. So you can reduce your code effort. Now see, I run the code just now and same result. Okay, so today we learned how to put if-else condition and how to create a loop for each cell in an Excel data. Hope it was nice and interesting. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more such interesting videos. Thank you.